Hey folks, Fred here, VE3FAL, Ontario Northwest Bushcrafter and Outdoors. Sunday, April the 12th. It is 11:30. I've got my buckets here, lids, spiles, drill, hammer. Gonna head up to Maple Haven and go tap at least 12 trees to get some sap collected. James tapped some trees this week. He had some flowing yesterday. But temperatures tonight are going to be +7, so that means any flowing today will probably come to a halt tonight, and we probably won't see too much for the next few days. But you know, here's hoping 40 liters of sap, say over the next couple weeks before the leaves flush, to get a liter of syrup is still better than nothing. So I'll catch up with you guys when I get there and when I start to sled and head up the hill. All right. Hey folks, Fred here once again. So the skidoo started, no problem, or the snow machine started. 2 poles, but we had to dig it out of the heavy wet snow. We actually had to pull it out, you can see here, but not a big deal. So I've got all my gear. We're gonna head down here, down the trail. I got the drill, I got the buckets, I got the spiles, and we're gonna walk down the trail, and I'm gonna do at least 12 buckets today. And we'll see what we can collect for sap. James just went out to do some collecting, so he's probably got 100 trees tapped. I'm just going to do 12 today, and then we'll probably look at doing another 12, all depending on what happens here and what starts to work for us. So current time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. It's very foggy. You guys can see it's probably +5 or 6, if not warmer than that. So yeah, let's there's a thermometer here. There was one here on the side. Yeah, it's not there. Anyway, we're gonna head down here and tap some trees. So we'll catch up with you once we get down there. So is the snow deep? Yes, it's still knee deep out here. This tree has been one of my better trees. So I think I'm gonna tap this tree one more time and see what happens on the drill. Okay, our spiles. So let me just set you up here on the tree. And you wanna find a spot where there's no other holes from, you know, the woodpeckers, the other birds, maybe where you drilled in the past on the tree. So I think actually there's quite a few trees just in this area that I'm going to tap. Starting here, there's one more up here. I think I'm going to tap it as well. So where shall I tap this? I tapped here last year. I don't know if you guys can see this. Okay, this was the hole from last year. All right, went and got another drill bit. See what happens here. Just got to find a spot now again. I guess try here. Okay. See if we can't tap this in. There's that change in sound. See if we get anything out of here. Okay, we're going to hang the bucket on here. Pull the bucket and the lid. Okay. That'll hang on there like so. Okay. So we'll wait and see if we get anything come out of here. And I'm going to do the tree right up here. I'm going to do that one. So bring a lid and a bucket. Okay. We're going to do this tree here. And then I'm going to just continue on and do the other trees. I say I have 12 buckets. Okay, this one looks okay. So, okay, where can I put you guys? That never wants to work. Let's go here. Oops. Come on. Work with me. Okay. Here's that change of sound. Yeah, I don't know. Still think I need another drill bit. Hey? I don't think I'm gonna have a good year this year here. I don't know why. Alright, bucket 2. I'm gonna go hang the rest and catch up with you guys after. On goes the bucket. All right, so I got 11 buckets up. I only had 11 spiles. I thought I had 12. Couldn't find the 12th one. So I've got 11 buckets up for now. I'll find the rest of the spiles if things pick up, though the buckets are dripping, or sap is dripping into the buckets. So that's a good sign. Just not sure how much we'll get. Tonight they're calling for +7, so warmer tonight than it is today. And thunderstorms tonight possible. So there you have it. All right, folks, take care, stay safe. And yes, I'm out of breath. The snow is knee to way steep yet in the bush here. It is lightly raining still. So we'll see how this goes. We got a couple weeks here to try and collect enough sap to get a liter. So the ratio is 40 to 1. So you need 40 liters of sap to make 1 liter of syrup, plus all the boiling. So take care, stay safe, catch y'all later. Remember, watch out for the other person. The other person may not be watching out for you. Thunder Bay, Ontario, Canada, YQT. This is Fred. Victor Echo 3 Foxtrot Alpha Lima 73.